When the student is ready, the teacher appears. Welcome. Welcome to Math Interpreter class. Okay? I'm talking to Form 4 today. This is a topic you'll never miss in your exam. And if you know any Form 4 anywhere, please share this message with them. Okay? I don't want you to fail in your exam. This is my burden. I want everyone to understand this topic because the examiner will bring a direct question. Most probably it will be a direct question. You just need to know the basics and you are able to differentiate. Okay? So if you know someone who is in Form 4, now maybe this is among the last topic in Form 4, now maybe they have not finished their syllabus, please let them know. Maybe they have not understood this topic. Please let them know that there is a math interpreter somewhere. Okay? Share this message. Okay? Be a giver. Give this message to someone else. Let your knowledge, share your knowledge with someone else. Okay? So we are learning differentiation. The first thing I want you to know about differentiation is that, first of all, you need to know similar words that means the same as differentiation. Because most students fail because you are given a word and you think that the examiner will always tell you differentiate. The examiner will not always tell you differentiate. They will bring a different word, but they expect you to differentiate. So I want to exhaust every word that means as differentiation so that you are never confused. You don't say that I was not taught this. You'll know the similar words that mean the same as differentiation. That is the first step I'm going to tell you. So similar word that means the same as differentiation. Please go with me. Okay? Similar ones. Similar words that means the same as. I need to write again because this my pen is not writing well. I need to change my pen. Okay, bear with me. Wait for me. I want to write similar words that means the same as differentiation. Similar words that means the same as differentiation. Okay? Go with me. Similar words that mean the same as differentiation. Similar words that means the same as differentiation. Similar words that mean the same as differentiation. You'll find these words. The examiner will not tell you differentiate all the time. They can bring other words that mean the same as differentiation, but they expect you to differentiate. Please don't be limited to only the word differentiation. You need to know other words that mean the same as differentiation. You may wonder why I am repeating this. I have seen students making mistakes, being confused. They say that I have never been taught this, and that word means differentiation, but they don't know. That's why I'm emphasizing, because I know most students, they don't look for synonyms, similar words that mean the same as differentiation. When they are to differentiate, they expect the examiner to tell them differentiate. Please don't be limited. Open up your mind. Don't close your mind to only word differentiation. I'm telling you right now, be attentive. Right now, I'm highlighting similar words that means the same as differentiation. And as a teacher, I will keep repeating. I will not get tired of repeating because I know there are people who will understand when I repeat more and more. So go with me up to the end. I'm now highlighting the similar words that mean the same as differentiation. Okay, the first word that means the same as you are expected to differentiate. When the examiner tell you find the gradient function, find the gradient function. Find the gradient function. When the examiner tells you find the gradient function, they expect you to differentiate. Okay? They expect you to differentiate. Okay? The second one, it is when the examiner tells you find the y prime. Okay? Find the y prime. They expect you to differentiate. Okay? Number 3, if the examiner tells you find the derivative. If the examiner tells you find the derivative, they expect you to differentiate. Okay? So don't only be limited to the word differentiation. You may be asked to differentiate. That is okay, you know it. But you can also be asked find the gradient function. It is also the same as differentiation. You can be asked find the y prime. It's the same as differentiation. You can be asked find the derivative. Okay? The fourth thing you can be asked, the fourth one you can be asked to find dy by dx. You can be asked to find dy by dx. Okay? So there are four similar words, four similar words that means the same as differentiation. And the final one is that you can be asked to differentiate. Differentiate. You already know that one because it's differentiation. But I realize that you need to know what is the gradient function, what is y prime, find the derivative, find the dy by dx. It means the same. So if either of these comes, it means the examiner expect you to differentiate. Okay? I hope now you know all the similar words that means the same as differentiation. Don't be confused. Before we do any calculation, you need to know all this. You need to know all these four ways that you can be asked to do and you are expected to do differentiation. All this will give you the same answer. So I hope you have understood the similar words that mean the same as differentiation. I never assume that you know, okay? Because some people will ask, where are you repeating? You know, this one can confuse you. In mathematics, you need to know the vocabulary, you need to know the similar words, the synonyms that means the same as that's where the trap is. Sometimes the trap is in words where they give you a different word, but they expect you to know. So you need to know the synonym. Okay? So the next time we are going to do calculation. Okay? Be with me. Keep checking as I upload more content. Thank you.